first day this child came to Tumbleweed, I remember her arriving with her daddy, uncle, and cousin. She had long, curly hair and looked at me thoughtfully through tears. We sat and played for a while before it was time for goodbyes. She mainly remained in her daddy's lap, and after a bit she stood up and said, "Daddy, go work." I walked into my lap crying. We said goodbye and spent most of the morning like that. I always remember that moment because she took such ownership over her motions and actions, even at only a year and a half. And be right, this child has shown me that there is no greater gift than being able to listen to a friend.
Daddy, go walk. Wait, I have something for you.
And there's a little bit done. There's a little bit more. I need more words. Whether a friend is telling her something or whether a friend is across the yard crying. Ida is there. Sorry. Paying attention. You feel good. Observing what that child needs in that moment. Disability or chicken or worm. Disability has come from her being able to identify and understand her own emotions.